And so I invite you to join me as we just take a few moments to honor both the love and the wisdom within ourselves and with one another. And so if you're comfortable, you can close your eyes or find a place to soften your gaze. And I invite you to look with your inside eyes, to take a step back. This is a perfect moment to pause, to breathe, to soften. I invite you to place a hand on your solar plexus, just around your belly button. This place where wisdom resides. Allow yourself to softly breathe in through your nose into your belly. Feeling it gently rise and fall. And with that, you can ask yourself, what is here for me to know? What is here for me to know right now? I invite you to take a hand and, if you're comfortable, place it on your heart space. This place where the power of love shows up, this power of harmony. And just bring your breath into your heart. You can ask yourself, what is calling for more love? What can I bring more love to? You can let your hands down by your side again. I invite you to join me in a closing Om together. Take a nice deep breath in. Om. Namaste.